We got a fish on. Yep, fish on. Fish on! Nice sized fish. Get him up closer to the boat, keep him from coming out the water. Oh yeah, he's a good size. Looks to be a smallmouth. Oh yeah, nice sized fish. Oh yeah. Woo! I'll let him run a little bit here. All right. Woo! Look at that guy. That's a good sized fish right there. Give myself a little slack here. Looks to be a couple pounds. Oh yeah. Right. Get my lure unhung. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful smallmouth. Probably pound, 2 pound range. Caught out here on the Harpeth River trolling, or excuse me, Cumberland River trolling in Nashville, Tennessee. And that's what it's all about. Good deal. Hey!